All right, guys. So after taking out the dash right here, we're gonna take out this touchscreen radio we have. But there's 2 screws right there. That one, and then that one. That's a 5/16. So go ahead, take it out. And then while he's taking that out, you gotta take out this cover right here on the top. This is just a sensor right here. I took it out already. Pull it out. Good.
Another one?
Yeah, another one.
Yeah.
And then up on the top here. So this cover has to come out first, like that. Just use this trim tool. There's tabs right there on each side. There's a 4 on the left and the right, and 1 on the front right there. There's tabs. So okay, and there's a screw right here on the corner right here, and then on the other side as well. Don't lose it. This is the last one right there. So no. Okay, we can take it out. So pull this out.
Put out?
Yeah, slowly. Can you do it? Okay.
Yeah, I do it.
Okay. There we go.
Yeah, and
There's the bolt right
also.
here. Here's a wire. Yeah, take out the wire.
Wire like that.
The bottom. There you go. Yeah, 2 wire. There you go. So basically, there's the bolt that goes in there from the back. 1 on the left and 1 on the right, coming from the back of the radio. And then this right here is going to the straight down here. So there's only 4 bolts. That's it. So that's out. Easy. That's how you take out the radio, the touch screen on your Civic or Honda Accord 2021 and up. That's it.